Anyone for dinner? Hello, gorgeous gems. Welcome back. I just wanted to show you a preview of my Sunday dinner. Okay, gorgeous gems. Excuse the mess, but I was just here cooking all this good food, and I was like, you know what? Let me show y'all at least, my meal. Okay, for Sunday. This is a Sunday dinner. I don't know if I'm putting it up today or what, but it is a Sunday dinner. And this is some salmon here. Okay? Okay, gorgeous gems. This is the finish of the salmon. But guess what? I was so busy cutting up the broccoli and cleaning the broccoli. I left it in a little bit too long. So I just have a feeling it's going to be a little hard, but it's not burnt or anything. Okay. Then we got some ribs. Then, let me get this first before I burn myself. And then this is some pork chops. Then we got the cornbread, which I think I should be checking about now. No, I can still see that it's soft in the middle. That's the cornbread. Okay, that's the finishing of the cornbread. It got a little touch on the edges, but it's nice and golden on top. Okay. Okay, gorgeous gems, this is my rice. I just washed it 3 times. And then I put some salt, some butter, and some scallion in it. Okay? So when it's finished, I'll show you if I remember. Okay. Okay, gorgeous gems, this is the rice. And it's almost finished, or I could say it is finished. See? Okay? Alright. Gorgeous gems, I'm at the last stretch. I am so tired. And I'm just going to be steaming some broccoli. And whatever I did not make, it will not be made today. Okay? Because my back is gone completely, literally. Love, love. Okay, gorgeous gems, all done. Oops. Oh, I'm steaming up my camera. Can't do that. Okay, I'm all done. To show you my Sunday dinner. This one is actually for my son because there's no way I could eat all of that. So my cornbread came out excellent. Absolutely excellent. And then, my ribs and my pork chops and my salmon, which I told you I overcooked it. So hope nobody complain. Okay? So that is my Sunday meal. I hope you enjoy this cooking with me. Love, love.